Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Final Fantasy XIV game crashing on startup. Guys, I don't have the game but trust me I will show you the solution that will definitely fix your problem. So first click on the game which is the Final Fantasy and you will see the gear icon on the right hand. Just click on the gear icon and just click on the properties on the last. And here in the journal you will see the launch option. Now here in the launch option just type the minus DX and 11. Now once you type it, just close it from here and just launch the game and your problem will be fixed definitely after this command. If your problem is not fixed, then click on the gear icon and go to the properties again. Now here in the launch option, just type the minus and D3D11. And guys, once you type it, just close it from here and just launch the game again and your problem will be definitely fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can restart your PC, then launch the game and then your problem will be definitely fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and I will see you guys in the next one.